I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but
I'm gonna go in here and show you guys. My husband is actually working on his man cave today, so I just figured I would bring you guys along and show you what his room looks like. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today my husband and I are working on making his man cave slash theater room Florida State themed decorations. I'm not sure how much football season's going on this year, but we're gonna go ahead and move forward, and hopefully in the future we'll have some fun times coming up. And then after we decorate it here, I'm gonna go ahead and dust and tidy up this room. And then after that, I do have a grocery haul for you guys from BJ's. So I hope that's something you look forward to, and stay tuned and enjoy.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not, but I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. You shine brighter, brighter than a diamond. Your shine's lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts.
All right, you guys, so this is pretty much done for now. I know he still wants to put like some dimming lights in, and he wants to put a fridge in here and like a table or something to put some snacks on. so that way we're not like back and forth in the kitchen trying to get things. So this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this part. So let's move on to my grocery haul and we'll go through that. So you guys, this was just a quick BJ's grocery run. This was not really like a full grocery shop, of course. It's just some things that we were out of, just some meats and a couple snacks for chasing stuff in the daytime. So I got a family pack of pork chops. I think these were like $16 or $17. Yeah, $16.70 for this family pack of pork chops. I'll go through and break these up and put them into the freezer. I got a pack of thin sliced chicken breasts. I use these for like sandwiches, salads, and things like that throughout the day, and they're already cut thin for me. I also buy the pack of just regular chicken breast, and these I just throw in the crock pot for different meals, and this was like $9, so you can't beat that. So once I'm going to break that up, I got these meatballs here. You guys, I've raved about these meatballs at BJ's. They're already seasoned. They're so good. I mean, they're good for different type meals. I got these cooked shrimp because these are also something that's good to eat like on the side. These are the jumbo large shrimp. I got a pack of hamburger, and I can't remember what I paid. This was $21 for this pack, but this will cook like 3 or 4 meals for us. Of course, chicken strips. We cannot be in this house without chicken strips. Dinosaurs and regular ones, pack of bacon. And I also got the sirloin beef patties. These are really good. As you guys know, burgers is always a stapler in here. I got these Bosse sausages. These are really good, chopped up. I got 2 packs of those because 1 pack is never enough. Me doing keto, I'm going to try this, y'all. This is a pasta 0 calorie pasta. If you guys have tried it, comment below. I've never tried it. It's really funny because it's in this liquid and it's supposed to taste like pasta, I guess. I don't know. I saw it, so I was going to try it. And then I got some strawberries, so that way I can have some fruit on the side, and eggs, broccoli. Then I got cheese as well, different Colby Jack and regular. And then I got these Mott's assorted fruits. These are so good. I love eating these, you guys. These teriyaki strips, fettuccine, and spaghetti. I got tomatoes. I did not used to eat tomatoes when I was younger, but let me tell you guys, I love me some tomatoes now. I don't know. I keep telling y'all, my husband likes these. I cannot stand this Hormel chili with no beans. It's just not good. Asparagus. I don't know why I got 2 packs, but I do. I got kale. I'm going to try that. Got some green peppers. I don't know why I got all these peppers, but I have them. And I got some bananas and cheese and peaches in the gel. Chase loves these. I know they're so not good for you. And I got some onions, and I got all type of spices. You guys, this garlic pepper, I think I've told you guys about it, but you have to try it. This Italian season is good, like on the chicken that I just showed you guys earlier. And I got 2 things of the garlic pepper because it is so, so good. We go through a lot of that. And this Montreal steak season, I've never tried that, but I got it. Maybe my husband will try it on the grill, and we'll see how that comes out. And then I have some cheese, some mac and cheese, and some Pringles. And I also got some Kool-Aid Capri. I normally get Capri Suns, but I pick up these Kool-Aid Jammers because I just buy the same ones all the time. Syrup. And I think the last few things I got is this. I got water, and I got this sparkling ice because I'm trying to do, keto, no sugar. So these actually are pretty good. And of course, water. And that is pretty much it for the grocery haul. I want to say, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff away. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And that's pretty much it.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, I just wanna get get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew